What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on BABA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we will continue with some fundamental news that might drive the price of this stock. And I will finish this video with my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose a free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. So I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we have several bullish signs. First of all, let me show you that we hit the level of 0.618, 0.65. It is a Fibonacci retracement level from the very bottom to the very top. And as you can see, we have this 5 waves structure that has completed recently. And from this point to this, we are on retracement. And this is, statistically, this is the most probable level of trend reversal. On top of that, let me show you that we have this pattern, this slope line and this line indicates that inside this formation we have a falling bullish wedge. And this pattern usually breaks to the upside, and you have to keep this in mind. Next point is that we have this trend line, and this trend line is a line from the beginning of 2016 till present day, and it is still very respectful by the price, and this means we have to respect this line as well, and we have more chances to bounce back from these levels in order to achieve new all-time highs. So this is our major technical points, and in a minute I will show you my forecast for this stock, but for now let's continue with some fundamentals of this company. And let's start with the company profile. Alibaba Group Holding Limited, through its subsidiaries, provides online and mobile commerce businesses in the People's Republic of China and internationally. It operates through 4 segments: core commerce, cloud computing, digital media and entertainment, and innovation initiatives and others. And I covered in my previous video and the video before that video some major catalysts that might drive the price of this company up, and one of them definitely is cloud computing, because they have very promising future for this industry. And let's continue with their numbers. For now, their total market cap is $570.93 billion. They have a revenue of $109.47 billion with a positive net income of $22.98 billion. They have a very good revenue growth of 40.72%, especially compared with their total market cap of more than $500 billion. And this revenue growth is mind-blowing. And they have very strong total cash position of $73.78 billion with a total debt of $27.46 billion. So, from the financial standpoint, there is no doubts that this company is extremely stable, and they still growing their business, and it is a very good sign. So let me show you the short volume ratio for this ticker, and as you can see, it is only 1.98% to the BABA ticker. And let me show you their institutional investors. Let me show you the total stats. We are on fintel.io, and for now they have 3,080 institutional investors, and 3,021 of them have a long-only position. Only 3 of them have a short-only position, and 56 institutional owners have a long and short position. So they have a mixed position. And the latest sentiment for this ticker basically is rather bullish. Right here at this column you can see the share changed, and this company closed their position. It is interesting how big was their position. They closed their position and the value was only $3,000. So it is nothing at all. And right here you can see the share changes, negative 1.18%, positive 12.02%. It means they decrease their ownership for 1.18% or increase for 12%. And here is the total value of their stake. It is a 2.4 million, 780 million, 5.2 million, 75.4 million dollars in value in this company. And I have to say that the total sentiment for this ticker is extremely bullish among institutional investors, and the main concern for now is the delisting of Chinese companies from United States stock exchanges. And in my opinion, I don't think that we will see this in nearest future, and I don't think that we will see it at all. But we have this article that was published on July 22nd, and it's titled, "This is your final warning. Chinese stocks listed in the United States are dangerous to hold." And it is quite scary title, but here is what I want to quote you. Recent moves from both the Chinese and US governments could have Chinese stocks trading in the US barreling toward delisting in the next 3 years. If it happens, and that remains a big if, experts say typical American investors could be left holding the bag when the music ends. And I have to say that we have at least 3 years, basically 2.5 years, because the zero date is the end of 2020. And we have a big if it happens. And in my opinion, it won't happen because we have more than 200, we have exactly 250 Chinese companies that are listed on the US stock exchange. And the total market cap for all of these companies are more than $2.1 trillion. And the United States and the China are benefiting from this listing. And let me show you this. We are on Nasdaq.com, and this article was published on July 20th, and it's titled, "Alibaba stock has incredible growth runway ahead." And let me quote you this. "The Chinese government's crackdown on big tech companies, including Alibaba, has weighed on the stock. However, the fear that China would cripple its tech superstars is misplaced. Regulatory concerns aside, Alibaba continues to grow at an impressive pace and is aided by the rising middle class in the country." And I have to say that this article is rather bullish, and you can always find in the internet some articles that are bullish or bearish on this ticker. For example, this one is bullish. As you can see, Alibaba, the price has bottomed out, but optimism needs to be tempered. And right here we have a neutral article that, in my opinion, is more bearish. And that's why you have to do your own due diligence and make your own conclusion on each and every stock that you want to invest in. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, what to expect next, in my opinion? As you can see, we have this slope line. Let me clean the chart a little bit. We have this slope line as a potential resistance, and we have this line as a support, and we have this point. It is a confluence level of 3 different signals that shows us that this ticker might go up. And first of all, it is a 0.65, 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level from the bottom of the third wave to the top. Next one is this support from the beginning of 2016, and next one is this one, this bullish wedge, falling bullish wedge. On top of that, we have finished the ABC correction right here, and in my opinion, we finished the entire C wave with the 5-wave structure in it. And according to Elliott wave theory, we have to have a 5-wave structure in C wave. This means we have more chances to go higher from this very point. And in my opinion, the levels between $213 and about $202 are the best levels to enter your position with this company for the long term. And what to expect next? Basically, in my opinion, we might hover for quite some time in this range. And in my opinion, we will have next catalyst on August the 3rd. When we will see the earnings of this company. And I have to say that we might see very good numbers from this earnings report, and these numbers will push the price up outside from this formation, and this will be an initial push to start the new uptrend, major uptrend to all-time highs. And I have no doubts that this company will hit their all-time highs in a matter of 12 to 18 months. And let me show you my major targets. To project these targets, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave and to the bottom of the retracement. So far we have this point as our lowest point. And with the assumption that we have to land the top of our fifth wave, let me show you on a greater scale that we have this breakdown. This is the bottom of first wave, bottom of the third wave itself, and we are on the bottom of the fourth wave. And with the assumption that we have to land the top of our fifth wave, the most probable target is 0.786 level. It is a price point of $352.88, and the more aggressive target is at 1-to-1 extension, and it is $394.84. But let's be conservative, and from our current price we might have about, let me show you, about 65% to our major target and about 85% to our secondary target. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!